Welcome to another episode of the 89 Garage. Today, I'm going to be doing a brake job on a neighbor's vehicle, which I'm not going to film, but afterwards I'm going to be working on Frankie, trying to figure out, I think I got a fuel issue of some sort, and I'm going to hook it up to the tester and see what we got. I suspect that the fuel pump is weak or something like that. But anyway, hope you enjoy the episode. Might be short because I don't have the stuff to fix it if it is bad.
Check this out. Watch how long it takes this thing to climb back up. Very strange. There also seems to be a lot of air in it. Makes me think that maybe I got a hole in the hose between the pump and the tube that connects to the line. There's a rubber hose inside there. But I would think that it would die right there. I don't know. Maybe I'll go stick it on the 8.9 real quick and see if it acts the same over there or what. It's never, maybe my gauge is jacked up. We'll see. Alright, so the other thing on Frankie, I was getting absolutely nothing without the car started. So I'm not even started right now, and I got 38 psi. I'm confident that there's something messed up with that fuel pump. Then I'm not even going to start this. It's not even worth it because that proves my point right there. All right, guys. So there you have it. Fuel pump. I'm gonna have to drop the tank, see what's going on with the fuel pump. Sorry about the lighting, guys. I'm on my way to Salt Lake to get a dash pad for Frankie. It's about 9:45 at night right now. So I don't know if I'll get it done tonight. I was trying to get a video for tonight, but I worked on a neighbor's vehicle, and then I wasted about 3.5 hours watching the Jazz play probably one of the worst games I've seen them play all season. If you're wondering why I'm wearing glasses, well, about 3 years ago I had monovision surgery, and what that is you have LASIK surgery done to just one eye, and it works really well for the daytime. Your dominant eye is the eye that they fix or do the surgery on, and the other one they just leave alone. Basically, my brain reads with my left eye and sees far away with my right eye. I'm here at the gas station filling up the Toyota, and this thing just asked me if I wanted a car wash. Don't mind if I do. It is the next morning, and I'm going to put this dash pad in Frankie. This episode will be probably a shorty because I don't have all the stuff I need to fix
the fuel pressure issue. So that will probably be in an episode in another week or two. And it depends on just how my week lines up. Anyway, so I have the fuel pump ordered. I have a rack and pinion seal kit ordered for this thing. I have tie rod ends. Let's do this dash pad. I honestly have never done one of these before, so I bought this from, if you live in Utah, you probably know who Travis is, at least if you're into Fox bodies. So I went and picked this up from him last night, and put a little elbow grease in it, got it looking good as she'll get, and also asked him for some tips on getting this old one out of here, because the one in my 89 has been fine the whole time I've owned it. No reason to take it out. So and my other two Fox bodies were 4i, and that dash pad is pretty self-explanatory to replace. So this one here, it only has 3 nuts holding it in, and this has to come out, and this needs to get dropped. I don't know, there's a nut about here and about here, then another one in this area here. I'm kind of hoping I don't need to take this out. So I guess we need to get in here, and first of all I need some better light. Thinking a pick might work better than this. I don't know, will these come out instead? This is going to be a super fun experience, I think. I turned the camera off because I was not quite too sure what I was doing. And LMR actually had a video, and they actually took right here in the, let me get you a little bit closer, right here, they took and just kind of, oops, I'm on the wrong side, need to be between this wheel and the center. And it actually just kind of made its way out like that. So you just got these things here holding it in. So just take and slide these out now. This plastic's all brittle. I'm gonna go get a couple more picks actually. This seems to be hung up. All 4 of these are wanting to play. But this side here is kind of being frustrating. That one is playing the part. Really trying to do this without busting these. It feels like it's freaking glued in. given everything else on this car, that would not surprise me. Okay, progress is being made. These are the tabs. Oh boy, look at all the crap falling out of that. This is the one that I busted a little bit off. Luckily, it's going to still hang in there. It broke really, really easy though, so be careful, folks. Okay, now to do this, empty out your glove box, obviously, or you're going to have a yard sale down here in this area. So we're going to have a nut right there. Where was the other ones? Yeah, we can get that other dash pad in here and look, see where we're at. So the other one is going to be right. Move this right to where it's at. It's going to be right over here somewhere. Okay, so as you can tell, this one is mucho more gooder. This one doesn't even have a nut on it. And by the way, so this one here does not have a nut, like I was just saying, and this is slotted right here. So you can actually do this without taking this off. So I'm gonna go get what I believe to be is a 10 millimeter. All right, I'm gonna kind of trade seats with you here for a minute. Is that not it? I can't even feel this other one. Okay, so we're looking at an 11:30 seconds here. I was thinking metric, but I was wrong. Okay, that's our nut there, and there's supposed to be another one. Yeah, I just can't feel it. I don't feel it. Should be about right here. I don't even know what this is. There's something here though. It feels like it's right in my way. There's a couple black screws right here that appear to be holding in whatever is holding me up. I don't know what this is that's in my way. I don't know what this is. Alright, and now I can feel that. Those wires were right in the road. I have to go try and find another nut for that other side. She's supposed to come off right now. What in the world? Okay. This side has another nut on it. They put two nuts on this side. Oh my heck.
why it wasn't coming off. Okay, I don't need to find another nut because it's right here. Yeah, check that out. All 3 nuts are here, but they put 2 on one of them. Oh boy. Something else just fell out. I've already resolved that this car will never be perfect. I gotta get these nuts out of here. It's about as good as it's gonna get. You know what I'm gonna do? Because I can already feel that that could be a bad spot. I'm gonna start this nut. All right. All right, guys, I'm going in. About there. There we go. That one's in. Almost there. One more. Okay, I'm satisfied right there. Okay, we got that about as clean as it's gonna get. It's a little bit harder going in than I thought it was gonna be. There we go. There it goes. All right. Sorry about bumping the camera there. Oh, I also need to put whatever this black box is back up in here too. Upon looking at what in the world this thing is, I've seen low fluid module and seatbelt channel. Whatever it is, it's probably something that I don't need. Registration. This might be like the tiniest glove box on the planet. In the overall satisfaction department, I'm going to give this about an 8. Maybe I'll bump it up to a 9. I'm going to have an episode about the fuel pump, and also something I just noticed. That light doesn't come on when the driver's door is open, only the passenger door. Great. I thought this bulb was burned out, but now I just noticed it's on. There's another thing to add to the list. And back to my train of thought. I have the fuel level sending unit sitting over there on the bench. I have a fuel pump on the way. I have a fuel filter already, and with the fuel pump I don't know why, but it didn't come with a sock, so I had to buy a new sock for it. Sock is the little, you'll see it in the next video or a couple weeks whenever I get to it. There's a little sock that presses onto the bottom of the fuel pump, and basically it acts a little bit like a filter, and also helps like when the gas is sloshing around, it kind of helps so you don't get any dry spots, I believe. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give me a holler down below. Give me if you wouldn't mind, also hook me up with a subscription. Hit the bell. This thing's gonna have all kinds of stuff going on with it. I keep finding Easter eggs as I go along with this project with Frankie. Figured out why this light isn't working up there. That switch, I don't know what happened with it, but it's not working.
It's not there. What the push button dealio? Not even there. So, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, week, and ta-ta.